In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF using Get File Content action in Power Automate. This process will guide you through transforming a document, like a Word file or a spreadsheet, into a PDF seamlessly. We'll be utilizing Microsoft OneDrive throughout this process, so make sure you have access to your OneDrive personal account. Let's dive right in by getting the source file content, which is the first step in our journey. Here, our goal is to retrieve the binary data of the document that you wish to convert into a PDF. To do this, you need to add an action within Power Automate, specifically the OneDrive. Get File Content action. Ensure that your connection is authenticated properly with your OneDrive personal account to avoid any access issues. Now, you will need to select the specific file for conversion. Simply click on the folder icon and navigate through your OneDrive personal folders until you locate your document. For example, you might be working with a file like reportdraft.docx. Once selected, this action will produce a dynamic output known as file content. That's the initial step sorted. Now, moving on to the core of the process, you'll be converting the file to PDF. This action leverages the robust OneDrive service for the conversion task at hand. So, go ahead and add another action, which is OneDrive, Convert File. When prompted for the file, select the dynamic content labeled File Content, which, as you recall, was generated from the Get File Content action. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Target Type. From this menu, choose PDF. What this does is prepare our document for conversion into the required format. Here, you'll find the result of this step offers two significant pieces of dynamic content: file content and file name, both of which now pertain to the new PDF file. The file content here refers to the newly created PDF's binary data, while the file name shows your original file name, now ending with a .pdf extension, and just like that, your document has been converted. In the final step, we need to save our newly minted PDF file back into OneDrive personal storage. Add the action labeled OneDrive, Create File. You'll notice a prompt for a folder path. Clicking the folder icon will allow you to navigate and select the desired OneDrive folder where your PDF will reside. As you proceed, you need to select the dynamic content file name from the earlier Convert File action to ensure the file is appropriately named. Follow this by selecting the dynamic content file content from the same Convert File action. And there you have it. Your PDF creation process using the Get File Content action in Power Automate is complete. This workflow not only makes the task straightforward, but also integrates smoothly with your existing OneDrive setup, maintaining efficiency and ease of access.